So guys, today we're gonna actually show you how to make your suede shoes or nubuck waterproof with Protect. So this is my first time gonna use it. So if this video doesn't go up, that means the product is shit, to be honest. So we're gonna test this out now and show you. So first things first, your shoes gotta be clean while you're gonna do it, basically. So make sure your shoes is clean. I'm not gonna show you how to clean shoes now. I have like 3 videos on my channel showing how to clean suede shoes, so I don't need to clean it. So you guys can probably go watch one of those. So I'm gonna take 1 feet. I'm gonna take the Crep Protect. You're gonna shake it, that's what they said. And you're gonna stay 20 centimeters away, which is about 8 inches. So 8 inches about a hand. So we're gonna spray it. They said sweeping motion. So if it mess up my suede, so I'm gonna spray it. First time doing it, so and it kind of have a strong scent to it. Very simple. It's really strong. Smells like some type of glue, super glue. So we get this feet. I hope it doesn't mess up my suede. So we got this feet. So we're gonna wait for 10 minutes and come back. Then we're gonna give it another coat. So be right back. So we're back after 10 minutes. So we're gonna give it another coat and see. So we're gonna get the bottle again. 8 centimeters away. 8 inches. 20 centimeters. So we're gonna get it properly. Yep. Then we're gonna let it dry for about 15 minutes. And we're gonna come back and see if it's actually waterproof / water resistant. So yeah. 15 minutes. Okay guys, so we're back after 15 minutes. So we're gonna test it if it actually works. So we're gonna do a close-up to see, just a little close-up. All right, that's the suede. We're gonna get water. Okay, we're gonna test it and see if it actually goes or mess it up. Hope you guys seeing this. So that's interesting. Nothing. That's really interesting. Look at it. That's fucking wild. The hell? Interesting. So that's water resistant right now. Okay guys, so that worked. It's literally okay. So we're gonna step it up a little bit. We got Mountain Dew. So we're gonna see if the Mountain Dew actually works with it. Okay. Oh god, yes it works. It freaking works. It works, like it just, this one doesn't want to come off though, but it actually works. I didn't believe that it would actually work. So that's the video guys. It definitely works. So I'm gonna peace out. Just, I don't know, but make sure when you're doing this, you gotta clean it first before you actually apply the product. So this is a thumbs up. Peace out guys.